Hi guys, as I told you, I'm going to teach you today that is no loss strategy, right? So let's go and start. So here, you can see four different charts. All four charts are US dollar, Japanese yen, all of them. Okay, one is 4 hour. The first chart is 4 hour. Second chart for 1 hour, third chart for 30 minutes, and fourth chart is 15 minutes. Okay, let me tell you first of all what you need to do, requirements before I start teaching you. So the very first requirement is you need a chart with Renko candlestick charts. Okay, Renko charts. You can easily get it Renko charts for MT4, like online, like Google it, like Renko MT4 indicator or something. You can easily get it. Or if you have a trading view like account, paid account, it's there already for free. Okay, so yeah, I mean there are rank. You need a Renko chart. Then all at once, what you have to do, like whatever the currency you are trading, you need to open four instances, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes. Four charts should be there. Okay, the first chart should be 4 hour, second chart should be 1 hour, third chart should be 30 minutes, and fourth should be 15 minutes. All right, so let's start now. See, what we are doing normally, what normal users we all do. Let's say we are in, buying something, like even we know price is going up. What we do normally, whenever, some, let's say we bought it, and whenever one big red candle happens, we just come out of trade, in, like, with I can say, like, loss. That's not actually the good deal. That's not the way to deal, because you are losing your profit. What Renko chart do, it makes it very simple. See, it's green, 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 green. Means even though there are red candles inside this, but still it shows only green candles for uptrend. So it just shows, display a trend, what side the trend is. So you can easily stay with the trend and don't get out of trend. You getting my point? And lose your profit. Normally what this is what people are doing, they just, cut short their profit and keep running their losses. What we are doing here using Renko chart is we keep running our profit and cut short our losses. Okay, and this strategy will be one of the best strategy out there, and I can say loss proof. Yes, loss proof. Only thing you need to remember is do not trade during news hours. Always, keep forex calendar ready with you. Maybe you can download, what we say, my fx book application on your phone app, my fx book, and they have the calendar there, and they always post and give you, a push signals that okay, the news is coming. So whenever you find some kind of, high important news, just get out of your, even if you are running in trade, just get out of it, because news can, go either way. During news, like, it doesn't matter what kind of trend you are in. Okay, so let's start now. So this is like trend following technique. What we going to do, on first 4 hour chart, we gonna confirm that what side the trend is. Okay, on 1 hour chart, again we confirm that 4 hour chart trend is showing on 1 hour chart. On 30 minutes as well, the same thing we gonna see, that 4 hour, like, let's say 4 hour showing uptrend, 1 hour should show uptrend, 30 minutes should show uptrend, and 15 minutes as well should show uptrend. Okay, when this all in uptrend, this doesn't mean you enter into trade. What we are using here is we are entering into counter trades. Okay, so now let's say, let me just get it. Okay, let's say here we just take this downtrend. Okay, this downtrend, see, it's already selected on all because I have all same charts. All right, so this is a downtrend. So on 4 hour it's a downtrend, same on 1 hour it's a downtrend, same in 15 minutes it's a downtrend, and say sorry, in 30 minutes it's a downtrend, and same in 15 minutes as well, it's a downtrend. Can you see? This is just this small thing. See, same on all. So now what you do, whenever you see some kind of trend like this, let's say on Renko showing like it's complete downtrend, down candles. Okay, now what you will do, check on 1 hour. Okay, all down candles. Check on 30 minutes, like all down candles, and 15 minutes all. Now what you do, you will wait on 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart to form a green candles. Okay, to form a green candle, because see, this main trend is down completely, the red. This main trend is down. You getting my point? This is downtrend. Okay, this one down, this one down, and this one down. So what we're going to do, let's say you find this, like on 4 hour chart there is a downtrend going on, like a red Renko candles. Okay, now look at 1 hour, you find the same red candles. Now look at 30 minutes, you find the same red candles. Look at 15 minutes, you find the same red candles. Now in 15 minutes chart, let's say here, okay, we came here. All right, so see my cursor on 15 minutes, it's going on green, but still the trend is red. We are on 4 hour, we are still in red, but here on 15 minutes we see in green, right? So you wait 15 minutes chart to turn green, go all the way in green and come back, and as it forms the very first candle in red, you getting my point? 15 minutes chart, as it forms the very first red candle, enter into downtrend. So all the way then you get this. Don't get out in, like these small uptrends in between, because this is a too big. Believe me, this is huge. From here to here, you got a huge profit. See, these all are pullbacks within trend. This is the main trend, downtrend. But this green candles is nothing, just a pullback in a downtrend. So what you're gonna do, if you have your chart set up like on 15 minutes, then every time when pullbacks happen, just wait for it to come back into the main trend. So let's say it's green candles happen. Now wait for those green candles to become red again, because when it's become red again, very first candle, very first candle finished, enter here. See, huge profit every time. And you can exit strategy as well, very easy. Like let's say you want to get exit and take profit at any point. Okay, whenever 15 minutes turn to green, but see all other 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour, they are all red. That means 15 minutes giving you, like telling you that okay, now price will go up, move up for a while, so you can just get out of trade. Whenever 15 minutes candle goes green, right, get out of trade. And again when it turns red, get into the trend. So you keep continue buying and selling, just flowing with the trend. Simple thing. Got my point? It's very, very easy. You search on any currency, you find this setup. Let's say, let's go on BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, BTC USD 4 hour, this one. All right. Hold on, so many lines, man. I have dropped. Even these lines are useful. I show you how, like trend, counter trends, how it's replying, right? Now here BTC USD 1 hour, here BTC USD 30 minutes and BTC USD 15 minutes. All right, okay, so we have all this. Now we are on a Bitcoin chart. Okay, like we are on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, now see here, let me give you an example of this. Let's see here this uptrend, a small. Okay, all right, so let's say you seeing this thing whenever like you are going on chart, you seen like okay, candle is going up. Okay, now what you will do, you already confirm like the trend is already okay. This is which stamp. Okay, you will see the trend is already in green. You getting my point? Means uptrend. Okay, now this is 30 minutes and here is 15 minutes. Where are those 15 minutes? I'm just showing you for example. Okay, this one, see, all the way uptrend. Okay, now let's say you found this like 2-3 candles on 4-hour charts like showing green, means it's showing displaying uptrend, that price is moving upside. So what you will do here, look at 1 hour, same uptrend. Look in 15 minutes, same uptrend. And look at 30 minutes uptrend and 15 minutes uptrend. Now what you will do, we are entering into a counter trade. You getting my point? So let it go green, 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 no problem. As it's become red, okay, here, right? That shows now it's about to pull back. So this is a pullback. This small red is pullback. And as again it turns to green, the very first green candle, as it finished, right, enter into uptrend again. Then you are all the way going high. Then again as it turns red anywhere here, exit, take profit. Then wait for it to pull back. Then again from green, enter. Go all the way. Again from red, exit. Again from green, enter. This is how you do. You getting my point? So you are not trading against the trend. You will wait. Now see, here as this now turn red, means it shows it's already trend change here. You getting my point? See, very first candle here as well. On 15 minutes it shows first change. So you have very good exit and entry strategy here. You don't need to like worry about when I can exit or when I enter. Everyone have this problem, when I should enter and when I should exit. Believe me, all of them, either currency or Bitcoin or any market, they move in a particular trending method. They have a trend setup, either uptrend, either downtrend, even a sideways have a trend. See, this is sideways, up down, up down, up down. This is sideways, but still it's a trend. You getting my point? So this you get in every time frame, the same thing. It's not that 1 hour candle is red, so this will be a red. No. So this is what the method we're going to use, a trend following method, right? I'm uploading this video, and please after watching this video, let me know if you have any kind of comments or any kind of questions. Ask me in our group and I will reply. All right. So it's very easy. I think you all got what I'm trying to tell.